Hey guys, it's Kylie. I wanted to hop on here live really fast. We are gonna make some sweet potato fries to go with dinner tonight. So I thought I'd hop on here while I had the opportunity and show you guys how we make our sweet potato fries. I'm making a few sweet potatoes because they're like tiny ones. So I like sweet potato fries. What I like about it is I can still have French fries without having to, like, the fries the frozen fries, they just don't go very far. And with sweet potato fries, they're just so quick and easy to throw together. And so that's what I'm doing right now. I'm gonna rinse my potatoes real fast. Gonna rinse my potatoes and get everything together. We are having some burgers tonight, which I'm gonna have mine as a salad, I think. I haven't 100% decided if I'm having mine as a salad or if I'm having it with low carb bread. But what we're doing is, has anybody ever ate at Burger King before? I don't know if y'all have ever ate at Burger King. Do they still have that burger, Joe? Oh no. Huh? Okay, so have you ate at Burger King? Burger King had a burger that was called the Rodeo Burger. I don't know if they still have it, but it was like barbecue sauce, onion rings, and what else? Just a burger? Yeah. Yeah, so like we're making a rodeo burger at home. So that is what we're gonna make. And guys, something that helps for us is our rotator basket that came with our air fryer. It is honestly like this. So a lot of you guys ask, hey, what's that basket? Well, this is what it does while it's in the air fryer. It rotates. So it helps all of those fries get cooked evenly. I actually refuse to own an air fryer that doesn't have this rotator basket because this, honestly, fries is primarily what we use our air fryer for. I think it's like the only thing we use it for, actually, if I think about it. But, oh, okay. Whew, it's hot in there. Okay. So, let me show y'all. It's quick and easy. It's a little bit time consuming, I would say, like cutting the fry shapes, but overall it's not too bad. And what I'm doing is grabbing my stuff real fast. Okay. I love fries. Hey, do you want me to do ground cinnamon and that Cinnabon seasoning, or just cinnamon? You want me to? Yeah. Okay, we're gonna do something. We're gonna do both. Can you get it out of the bag in the spare room? Okay. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take the bottoms of the potato, cut that off. And since we just grabbed these from the store today, the potatoes are a little bit harder. And then you're gonna cut some fry shapes. What I really wish Joseph weekends are Sundays and Mondays. I don't have a healthy spinach dip recipe for the Super Bowl. I don't eat spinach dip. I don't eat anything like that, so unfortunately, no, I do not. What I would suggest is check out Pinterest. I don't eat stuff like that. That doesn't mean it's not okay. I'm very picky. That's just not something I would ever eat. If y'all notice, I do eat a lot of the same things. It's just because I'm picky, guys. So this is what I'm doing, cutting these little fry shapes. You can figure out how many points you can have a day when you sign up for the app. It'll calculate how many points based on height, age, weight, how much weight you want to lose, things like that. Everybody's points are different. See, fry shape. I'm trying to decide what I'm taking to the Super Bowl for myself because my family is having pizza. Now, the other day, y'all asked, some people asked why I didn't eat pizza with Joe. Well, first of all, I don't really like to, I personally am not a huge fan of like restaurant pizza anymore because my tummy just doesn't handle it well. And I don't say yes to everything. You know, I'm not going to have a crumble cookie and pizza and all that stuff in 1 week. That's just not something that I'm going to do. That's not saying it's not okay. It's just that that's not what I'm going to do. I use my weekly points on one cookie. Regular pizza is a lot of WW points. It really is. And so I'm not going to have pizza and cookies and all of that stuff in 1 week. You can say yes to some things, but you can't say yes to everything. And that's what I've learned in the last, this is going to be a big fry. That's what I've learned in the last couple of years of my life. Yes, you can say yes to things. You can't say yes to everything. I love skin on the potatoes. I leave the peeling on. I like the skins on the potatoes. Yep. Most time-consuming part is cutting the fry shapes. The rest of it's easier. I leave the skin on them because I think it helps make them crunchier. So as you can see, I'm filling up my little basket here. Normally I'm just cooking fries for just me and Joe, but we have our friend over as well. We're having some sweet potato fries and some like rodeo style inspired burgers. So my cookie lady, she's making me some sugar-free cookies for tomorrow. My air fryer is the Instapot Vortex. And I really like it. I didn't know Instapot made a air fryer until I got mine last year, but I really like it. Normally, we only do about 30 minutes on fries, but since I'm making more, I'm probably gonna do 40. We'll check. I would say these wouldn't be as good in the oven personally, but if you don't have an air fryer, then you could try it. But I don't, with the sweet potato, you'll want to look up some ideas on that. We're not gonna dip these in marshmallow cream this time. We have sugar-free ketchup here that's 0 points, so that's what we'll do this time. And yes, they do have frozen sweet potato fries, but let me tell you, those are pretty high in points as well. Only for me to say that you can have an entire sweet potato for only, I think most sweet potatoes are 4 points per cup. And you get a lot of fries for 1 cup. Where like sweet potato fries, I think, don't quote me if I'm wrong, but I think you only get like 10 for like 5 points. And these are, the points in these sweet potatoes is 4 points for the entire cup of fries. And they go a long, long, long ways. We were going to do onion rings, but what we're going to do is we're just going to cook some onions. I think like we're going to just do some like grilled onions instead of onion rings, which I'm not a huge fan of onions, but I can have them if they're really soft or if they're crunchy, but I don't like them, like if they're crunchy, I need them to be like crunchy because they've been cooked, not because they're like raw, if that makes sense. What temperature do we usually do these fries at, Joe? I know, but they're asking what. I think we do about 300, 350. I think my air fryer basket's probably about as full. I've got one more. And see what they do is they'll rotate like this while they cook. And so I was gonna do one more, but I think that this is probably about max what my air fryer is gonna hold. So now I do spray butter. Spray butter is 0 points. And then we're gonna do cinnamon. If I can get it open. Which, yeah, I'm spilling some on my counter. And then we're also, this time we're gonna do this cinnamon roll. It's 0 points, it's a popcorn seasoning. It's by the popcorn in the popcorn aisle. And it's 0 points as well. And it's a cinnamon, it's 0 calories for this as well. And we're not gonna do a ton of it. We're just adding a little tiny bit. Thank you guys. And so then they'll cook in the air fryer like this. So y'all, please, I know somebody's gonna judge me for this. So trust me, I know my air fryer definitely needs like the crumbs need definitely cleared out of here. We did pretty good at it, but let me show y'all. Okay, I want to show y'all. I'll flip it over. So temperature, hang on. Air fryer, 355. And then I'm gonna do, what we usually do is we'll check it at 30. And then if it needs more time, it needs more time. But rotate and then start And then let me show you how this works. See? So it rotates on its own. So I like that this Instapot Vortex comes with the basket that rotates, because then they are cooked evenly. I won't have an air fryer without one of these. So we like this. So yeah. That rotating basket's a pretty important part for me because it makes them all cooked perfectly and even. Thank y'all. I hope you guys are having a good day. Yeah, we use the rotating basket on just about everything. So I wanted to show y'all how to do that. And I'm freezing, so what I usually do is I take a bath to warm up while Joe makes the meat part of our dinner. I always start the sides and then take a bath to warm up while Joe makes the rest of our dinner. I do that like every time. So I wanted to show y'all how you do that. Thank you guys. Trying to decide what I'm making. Hey, what is Pineapple Bliss flavor of the day? I'm trying to decide what our dessert's gonna be. The ounces, you'll just want to check your WW app and see how many ounces. I weigh mine. I have been weighing mine now too. I don't know about that. I'm trying to decide what our dessert's going to be tonight. Woo, chilly, chilly. All you do, when I post this video, you'll probably be able to rewatch it. So I'm gonna hop off here so that I can warm up because I am freezing. And I'm gonna take a bath. Thank you. You guys are very sweet. Thank you. So I'm taking a bath while Joe makes our dinner. He grabbed some 96% lean ground beef, and we're gonna make burgers with that. I'm probably having mine as a salad. I haven't decided. I have not decided yet. So I know. So I have some apples I need to use too. Honestly, because some of the apples that I got are going bad, and so we just preheat oven to 350. Sometimes I'll do 375. So you can do peel, slice your apples, top with cinnamon and spray butter, and then bake them. Usually we'll do 30-45 minutes. Depends on how many apples I have. Sometimes if I do an entire thing of them, I'll do an hour, but most of the time 30 is good. And then we just do sugar-free Cool Whip or something like that with it. So sometimes we'll put a package of oatmeal on the top for an apple crisp. So I hope you guys have a good night, and I'm gonna let you go. Bye.